Hello guys, welcome back to another video of your boy Tiger JCP. Today I'm playing Subway Surfers. Nope, I'm not playing today anything. I'm just showing my Instagram guys to you. This is my Instagram guys. Be sure to follow my Instagram. Wait guys, no. Yes guys, this is my Instagram guys. This is my friend guys. I am. Yes guys, this is my posts. Be sure to follow my Instagram guys. Okay, now let's play something guys. Let's play Subway Surfers. Oh, what is this? A new one, fan mode character. Okay. 10-year anniversaries. Okay guys, this is a new Subway Surfer anniversary, this one, stuff like that. I played this map before, not before, I played this map when it came out for the 10-year anniversary. I am a noob. I'm not a noob, I accidentally jumped. What? Okay guys. I will change my character a little bit. I'll change my character. Wait. Oh, how to get this? Oh, I need 300. I will have 0. Okay. Where's my character? Oh, here is it. I like him. I like turtles. Okay guys, let's go. Yes, I'm in the mood. Guys, I'm in the ninja mood. I will run and run and run. I think this should be like, what is that called? This song should be like a Mexican song because it sounds like a Mexican song. I love this music better than the original music. Okay, there's a C. Scream. Okay. Why should I scream? Huh? Yes, guys, I'm almost going to die. Okay, scream. I only have 3 letters to go. 3 letters to go. Okay, guys. Someone is laughing. Guys, what is this? Okay. I'm in middle of school, guys, but our school teacher is going somewhere else, so that I don't have one class. In the meantime, I'm doing a YouTube video. I only have 2 letters to go. Okay. I like this map. Guys, comment down below. Do you like this map or no? Screen. Okay. I finished the word screen. Okay, I got a box, mystery box. Oh, I can't get it. Okay. Oh my god, it's like Hollywood movies. Subway Surfers, it's like Hollywood movies. It's so intense. When I'm intense, like it's so, I'm going to die, I should not die, like that. I will not talk, guys. That's why in my YouTube video, when I do something intense, I will not talk. Little bit. I'm trying to beat my daily high score. I talk too soon, guys. I talk too soon, guys. This video is not sponsored by PUBG, guys. I'm just watching an ad because I have my Wi-Fi on. Oh my god. Do you play this game, guys? PUBG, the new one, like realistic PUBG state? Yes, I play this game. I'll make a video also. Okay. It's time for the intense game. Oh, what the? What? Facebook. Be sure to follow me and this one, guys. Wait. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. At Nafil Najid. Is this map supposed to be spooky? I'm not scared at all. I like this map. Coin Master Award, okay. I'm trying to beat my high score here. You're telling my Coin Master boy. What, boys? What? Why when I die this ad is coming, guys? Okay, guys. Be sure to subscribe and like and subscribe my video, guys. And post on a notification when I post a new video. You'll get notified every time. Okay. Whee! I'm having a party. I'm having party. Wee. Zoom, zoom. I'm going boom, boom. I'm going zoom, zoom. I'm going boom, boom. I'm going zoom, zoom. Ooh, what is this? Double jump? Yes! What? What? No! I need the double jump. I like double jump in Subway Surfers. It is so easy when you have double jump. Why is this PUBG coming? PUBG new state. Okay, guys. Wee, wee. Yes, I have double jump. Wee, wee, wee. Scribbly. Scribble. Now I don't have double jump, guys. Okay, guys. It ran out. Yes, guys, some technical issue. Yes, guys, I will not let you see this video. When the game starts, I will take it. Yes, guys, the game started. Okay. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, I'm gonna die, guys. Double jump, triple jump. Whee, whee. What the? Okay, guys, I quit. I quit this game. Super mystery block, something. Okay, I hate this. Okay, money. I want me some money. Okay, alright. Okay, guys, I will see when I start the game. Yes, guys, okay. I got 14. Wait a minute. I will start the video when this ad ends. Advertisement. I don't know why there's so much advertisement. Yes, guys, the ad ended. Okay, what can I get? Okay, the 2 came for free. Okay, I'm almost in the first. Let's go. Ooh, orangutan. Okay, guys, it's a new game. It's the same Subway Surfers, but a little bit on another map. Boys, when I end the game, I will stop the recording, boys or girls. What? Oh, it's a multiplier. Okay. No. Oh, the fire is cool. Guys, if you're thinking why I didn't post for several days, because I was a little bit sick. Yesterday I didn't go to class, online school also, because I was too much sick. I have to go to hospital. That's why I didn't record some video, guys. I'm sorry. What did I do? What did I just do, guys? I don't know what did I just do. I will start the recording when this ad stops. Why is this stupid ads? Okay, guys. The ad ended. I don't know why there's so much advertisement. when I die in this game. What did I get? Oh, 10 multiplier, okay. Okay guys, when I die one more time, I will end this recording. Okay. Oof. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much. Okay. Oh no, I almost died. Okay. Wee. Double coins? What? Oh, I thought double jump. That's why I jumped. Okay, no problem. Oh my god. Okay guys, I quit. Okay guys, I died. Wait, let me see how much coins did I get. Okay. Claim award. Ooh, okay. Okay guys, and 6 key for that. Okay, I will leave this Mexico. What events? Super mystery. Oh guys, I got so much stuff. Okay guys, what did I get? Got it. Okay. How much coins did I get? What is this, guys? $17. Okay. Yes, guys. This is enough for today. So, peace out. Tigers out. Peace.